Best way to organize apps on iPhone. In this video, I'll show you a very useful trick when it comes to organizing your home screen. Please consider liking and subscribing if this video helps you out. As you likely already know, if you tap and hold on an app, you can choose Edit Home Screen and then move your apps around. It can be quite tedious if you want to move multiple apps to another screen because typically you would have to drag them one by one. But what if I told you there was another way? While holding on the app you'd like to move, use your other hand and you can actually tap multiple apps to create a stack of them. In this example, I'm tapping the ones on the top of the screen, putting them all together, and then if I want to move them to the bottom, I just release and there they all go. Another useful organization tool that people use is folders. If you didn't know this, if you tap and hold an app and put it on top of another one, it will create a folder. Creating a folder of multiple apps can also take a while, but with this new trick I just showed you, doing it again, it is incredibly easy. I'm able to select all these apps and get them in the folder in no time. An extra tip is that you should put your most used apps in the bottom right corner of your phone because that's where your thumb's going to get to easiest. And on the latest update, you are able to drop things there even if apps aren't going all the way to the bottom. I recommend putting your most important things here so you can get to them no problem. Please like and subscribe if this video helped you because it would really help me out. Thank you so much for watching.